I left the city, guess I had to change of heart. I moved out to the country, gonna make me a brand new start. I hold my taters in the morning, after lunch I slop them hogs. Every night I read my mail order catalog. Because I want a rear time tiller, I want a big wheel cart, want a cast iron stove made up in Vermont. I want some solar panels and a wedge to split my logs, and all that other stuff to see in the mail order catalogs. Every day that mailman comes driving past my place. When I hear him honk his horn, down the path I'll race. I open up my mailbox and I holler, hot dog, when I see another mail order catalog. Because I need a rear time tiller, I need a big wheel cart, need a cast iron wood burning stove made up in Vermont. I need some solar panels and a wedge to split my logs, and all that other stuff we see in the mail order catalogs. Well, ordering from a catalog really isn't all that hard, cause they will take my Visa, they'll take my MasterCard. I just call them up, they've got that toll-free line. I tell them what I want, and I got it in no time. So you know I got me a rear time tiller, I got a big wheel cart, got an airtight cast iron wood burning stove made up in Vermont. I got some solar panels and a wedge to split my logs, and all that other stuff I saw in the mail order catalogs. Now this morning I'm feeling kind of ill, cause all that mailman brought me was a big old credit card bill. When I see what independence is costing me, I don't know how much longer I can afford to be free. I've got to pay for the tiller, pay for the big wheel cart, pay for a black airtight cast iron wood burning stove made up in Vermont, pay for the solar panels and a wedge to split my logs, and get all that other junk I bought from the mail order catalogs. Well, mail order buying has been around for a number of years. I reckon it was started by old Roebuck and Sears. But when I see what it's done to me, honey, makes me kind of sore, cause now I owe my soul to the mail order company store. But you know I got me a rear time tiller, I got a big wheel cart, got a shiny black airtight cast iron wood burning stove made up in Vermont. I got some solar panels and a wedge to split my logs, and I think I'm going broke over mail order catalogs. You know I think I'm going broke